see there, I'm alright. I'm not dead, nothing not doing. I'm start going preschool. I'm going to pay $6,500 a week time. This week I'm my week, next week I'm father week, I so rotate it. So all of them hate me and class and fitness and my fitness. Ugly and hungry. Yeah. So clearly them not like me, so why me I go beg them and I like what the fuck? Ain't nobody obligated to give me shit, and if somebody to them don't like me, why me don't want them things? Forgive her, forgive her, she not forgive herself. Me not have up nobody in my heart. Nobody me don't have up in my heart. I don't have up nobody in my heart. Me forgive she long time. Me don't have up nobody in my heart. I'm grateful for every little thing what she do for my son. Thanks be to God. You get to me I say, I don't have nobody up in my heart. But me not have it to go be nobody. That's what I'm saying. She have it could have helped me out of my son. You get to me I say, but me not have it right now for help she. So what I gotta do? I gotta sell my pony? Huh? I'm not gonna do that. Preschool get booklet. No. I even like, I wouldn't even consider that as preschool because I'm a 1 year old now. I'm a one. When me I go stay from I know how much I bill. Which part me I go stay and know that? Honestly, yeah, daycare. I don't really something there. I don't really preschool. It's more like daycare. But you know them we teach them 1 and 2 times and so. Get them in soon. So yeah, I'm a 1 year old and you know talk I say words mama and dada all I talk about when I tell them do something I talk about no so you know if I talk him I walk every little thing. I already see me I start in potty training because if him can say no when I say PP him say no him repeat back everything when I say. So I know say and when me like clean take off him pampers I'm say oh you do the ear now think. As I say things, I'm gonna say man understand look at things so.
And him can say Anna,
and him call people name, him call Alia name, him call Anna name, him call everybody name. Him know everybody. From telling him from and him memory good. Cause I tell him somebody name one time, when him see him remember say you. Get me and say so him smart. So I plan to make him start God this squad. The same the same daycare him there. They have preschool down to basic school. So at the same preschool I go send him. So you know the September I have to go buy up him uniform and so forth. No, not September, January. I think I'm in January. But anyways, them something me have focus on my opinion of school, daycare, whatever. Is have to get paid for my mom. I have to eat, I have to have pampers, all of them look something there. My sister baby me more help out. My sister the best in the much possible way I can. My next little sister have high school for go more I have help to the best way. All of them look something. I have time for go bail people where put themselves in problem. After I look like my eye gland kill it, so I want some food have money for waste. Eh? Look how my head look on tomorrow my birthday. Yes, Anisha pregnant. Anisha at the hospital right now. Put it on the prayers sphere. Please. Pray for her and a safe delivery. Okay guys?
oh, I know the other name of Fee, Chapo.
Okay, Sammy. Alright, baby. I'm going to tell her congrats for you. I'm going to tell me I think about right now. I have money for bail people put themselves in a problem here. Chat Porter. Someone left cut up in myself to celebrate my birthday on TikTok tomorrow. Yeah, man. So chat, run come support tomorrow, chat. My birthday match. Run out no, chat. My birthday match tomorrow. Please, me a beg you know. Help out as best as we can, me a beg you know. Chat, please. Anyways, chat, it there. Alright, Pinky baby. So chat, it promise from my story. Not my story. From my page. It on my page, chat. Me I beg you please, chat. Help out, please. Me I beg you please run out. Come help out. Lamination and Snapchat for my birthday. You know the Jakes, him have a powerful team over the chat. Me I beg everybody, anybody for run out, come snipe and shoot and work together as a team, guys. Every donut, every rose, everything wanna have chat, anything wanna have my side. It will be very much appreciated. Even if it is as small as a rose, it's appreciated. Okay, so I want everybody to come around and support for my birthday chat. That's what I'm saying. So yeah. You know it's all up from my side. Yeah. Okay, man.
So my boss is on every day my day. Yeah. Some I say I chop, some I don't lie.
I cook me a come cook, you know, because right now they are hungry. No, baby, I'm in band, 25th of May. 25th of May, baby. I mix up them people that come out still now. I'm not send a gift for ear mix up. All of my tappers big up on themselves. Baby girl, thank you. Shirt too cool. Require tickers, beaker, frozen, Zoe. Miss this days. Big up on yourself. Everybody will send some thank you. All of my tappers big up on yourself. Are people business gonna come out, you know? That means we need to be like a miss and I got a good club. Come on, look problem with the girl.
Some bad bitches stuck in several figures. And I lie, they shit up in a killer. No, living like a Jew.
No, them demons there, killer, bro. The prayer we expect. What me expect? What me expect is for all not to come type and type. I'm going to bail nobody because I know I don't have it. Type me they have it, more they are beg. You get what I'm saying? I don't know nobody all they gift me. Me I wouldn't know that because the rank of them no fuck for post how much money people are make. Look at script. The rank of them the if you come post how much money the people them make. So they know me now make the bag of money on TikTok. You know so powerful either. You get what I say? I'm not so powerful. Not as yet. Not as yet, but I got on time. I'm not so powerful yet. I'm not so powerful yet. Careful if you block clear them. Right now, I want food. Right now, I want food. They can't make a plate of something that please. Where you cook cocoa? Cocoa, where you cook? I can't make a plate of something that please. Right now, I need it. She can't live off her fat. Can live off her foot. Come on home, forget it from. But they want a plate of food. Chat pot up, sir, chat. Girl, my name come, my name Lami. Lami, Lenny, my name Lami. I mean, by who lock up, well, I know who lock up. What happened? I'm tell exactly like how Frozen Rose tell more. Frozen Rose say Rosalie's spit. Frozen Virgo say Rosalie spit in the face 3 times and lick her in her head 1 time and just so she feel dizzy. Right in front of the all this time right in front of the police. In front of the police. You do the most. What am I doing the most with, Mika Bless? What am I do the most with? What? Tell me. What the fuck? What am I do the most with? Pumpkin, what are you talking about? What are you guys talking about? What the fuck am I doing the most with? You stupid or something? Yeah, I ask something on me and answer now. When me down my sister regardless, she never knows me her sister when she bring me down. She never know. She never knows my sister when she bring me down. Am I not humble? What am I doing? What not talk about? You know what I bring down? You guys know what this bring down? If me that she this and she that and she ray and she tay and she had this and she had that and she had ray and she had blake, me not do that. Me I see what already in the media. Pinky tanky baby. Me I see what already in the media. You get me I say, me not style nobody, me not bring nobody. You know what this bring down? When I bring up people past and I talk about people go through all them, so that is bring down. What you do to me and come talk up and say one will about something about me, that is what I call bring down. Bring down I went like you every day I say, oh, my wicked mama she, and my wicked mama she, and them something they call bring down. And nothing wrong if me I rejoice because what do you when Diamond come a class which you say are good for me and that for reach me. So nothing wrong if me I rejoice. And I'm not fucking rejoicing. When I ask a question and me answer. You get to me and say, when I ask a question and me answer. So nothing wrong if me even rejoice. Because I regularly rejoice over our failure. Because what them say she sit down and rejoice over the fact that I'm in class me and I bring up the dirty deeds and when she come tell people about me. And you see me and your sister. So what I say? Eh? Remember say no, as she bring me over here and come tell one bag of things about me now. Remember good enough. So where the bring down really start from? Remember good enough say me come over here come pick up fear, you know. I'm not found a class, me and one wall if I something fear. I talk about oh me I eat that and this and that. I'm not fear pick up for what because she a class, you know. Remember only say months me I eat that because me I pick up fear, me a class with fear and she don't like me. But are you class? Listen, I don't class Diamond. Nobody never class Diamond. I say Diamond all food and Diamond all food for true. And one day me I got to know all food that become class. Yeah, go on like to me that say Diamond mother shit bucket and them something there. Whenever I come class I say, oh she done shit bucket, she done mother shit bucket and them something there, you know. But I come say none of that. You get to me I say, I'm not so in the media. I chop for business and just so happen for me the business that me I talk about. I'm gonna share all foot with she is. I'm gonna take that as no this thing. Because one day the whole way I got on all foot. Mika Bless. One day you got on all foot to be able to love. One day one blood clot day. If they are all for that, you get me and say if they are all for that, so I'm gonna find that that's not disrespect and not big. Look how much people call her all food. What I mean she have a combo? Why you should go for everybody in the comment section? Where I screenshot her and I post it as meme. Eh? Why you should go for them people that will have her up as meme? She's supposed to go for everybody then. Cause me she come over me she offer. All because she can't. She say Ivan and figure it out them now look upon her. Cause they give her one fat football at the old for them not care about she. And now look upon her she try to come cuss me now. Because she know say if she come cuss them, remember saying the internet in favor of Ivan and figure it out, you know. So she knows that if she come cuss them, the internet will clash she. You get to me and say, so she don't want that now. She come by me. Blood clot Ivan is my mother-in-law need to go rest. Really and truly. She need to go rest for true. Because she for cussing, because she knows that she come cuss the internet, I can bring her now and come out class time. So she try to come by me now because she knows someone don't like me. She don't like me. So that's why
Front of a station.
okay.
I know me I say, what time you gonna do it?
I want my mother-in-law need to go sit down.
What time you gonna do it? Yeah, I'm hungry now.
No.
Get money.
She need to go sit down.
Get money, Marsha.
Because she a big woman. And you come say it's a big woman for me. And me on the size. So how the hell you come follow up and look up at me on the size? Me on the size, you a big man for me, you old food for me. I'm a young hoe, you old hoe. So you low old hoe alone, I'm young hoe alone. I'm gonna mind old food business. You go hold a old hoe space and low we young hoe, make we mind our young hoe business. Because you're old man and you see you're a big man for me, so stop follow me up. That's what I say. Stop following me up, man. Because call it old food, that is nothing. Look how much people call it old food, look how much people are cheering. And in the comment section, everywhere get a comment section. The man will put you over there, look, so look, man. And them have to go home. And the internet, you can cuss everybody in class, everybody will call it old food. Everybody will call it old food in class, you will come about them? Eh? Then blood clot will know come and talk about June she but I don't reach a rare this that. If never blood clot come by here, come call my name, the woman would have nothing for come say about me. If I never for you, the people that would know nothing about me. Because but never reach out TikTok, because you know people know them something about me. So even if me I rejoice over the fact they gonna jail, my blood clot rejoice. Because I bring on a tear down and talk about the family we are doing. Yeah, Judas, you're a traitor too. You're not better than none of we. You try me to paint a narrative every day to make it look like say better than we, but they really and truly do better than we. Cause Rosalie, you are brother every day come with a narrative. So oh we are dog shit, we are this and we are that like a better than we. Do better than we. Look over here to come and talk about oh me I rejoice. What the fuck me I rejoice about? And even if me I rejoice, I'm supposed to. Because the rejoice of my don't fall and laugh off of me and them something now. She see me and come bring out and come chat to bum because she wants to bring me down. But I want lamination cross but I never two. I want. What you mean by blacky? Nella so sweet. If you want blacky now. If you want black, you black, baby. Or I can help you. I can black you first. And help you out. You come and talk about blacky. From morning when she come go out there one bag of blood clot antics. I just black her. She all come from my FYP. I ever figured out the my FYP is straight. Because that means I love me, want to watch and go. I sit down and watch my I
feel butterflies.
I'm telling you, I sit down and watch them. I come up to the land. But them didn't pay for my FYP. And poor people want help. I don't come about sad people when I have life. I want to control people all their them life and then when them man now makes them. I don't want to people about my FYP because I'm not sad. I'm not sad. So I don't watch sad people. Fuck. Me should be wearing nobody I want a money for my ear, baby. I don't know how it's gonna go. Right now the ear do the ear just do and I just so. Cause I can't, madam, I'm not gonna sell my front. Cause them say me walk and sell front. Well, me stop sell front now, June. Me stop sell front now. Me left for the other side of the world now. But right now, TikTok now going on, so come on, I have to go start back. Cause my pussy never yet fail me. Never, ever. Never. And you should come talk about it about $1 grand for 2 and 3 grand. Never that. Never. Never, ever, 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 ever in life. I can't say that. I can't swear upon Jamari name, my son right now. I never said that for 2 grand yet. I pussy were wally millions. A millionaire pussy me walking underneath my phone. Oh. Bubbles, big up yourself. And any man me a grant, all of my have to look over, I have to spend money upon this. I have to spend money upon this, all of my have to look over, I have to spend money upon this, like good like that, I'm gonna ask price. Wow.
You don't see Rihanna doing the Masha?
Lucky. I know my head kind of crowd, John Lennon? And you know, have a thing, you know, hello, all the women who come and talk about me though, have a thing. Ask Alia, yeah? So Alia blood clot, you ask her. I never blood clot living at her, I can't show her right now, which part, brother, I even go follow now. But remember, good to move out of my mother's house a long time. I live before I even go live for my own. Before I even go live for my own, bear in mind, I live with man first, like my father. I move out of my mother's house a long time. Because see, all the time Rosalie make money, move out of my mother's house before she go rent house. My first been married when I was 17, and yes, I'm a man by me. Man. Either girl pet me fair. What you mean by spell clothes? How the fuck? You don't say dumb because you don't spell it for me already. You're stupid, you don't spell it for me. What you mean by for spell clothes? You don't spell it for me already. I come and talk about all of them Asia talk about if we never take care from bed, I don't know if I go buy a bed. Remember some move out of my mother's house before you. And you're a big man for me, so you're rich. Remember good. Remember real good. Oh.
The yard where come stone bed to do them.
The yard where you come stone and you find out whatever you want to find out. The yard where you come stone, bed was in there.
Stone.
If you want to come and be honest, tell people them so when you come stone me yard what in a last year. When I come over me, I had bed in the TV, in the roof, and in there, and everything for my comfort. Oh. Oh, bad man. Hey, bad man for what? Bad man, if Moody want to live in a rent. Hey, come on. Nobody come with that now. Some people in the chat, see the up this one. Nobody come with that now. Nobody come with the bad man. Don't come with the bad man thing now. Nobody come with that shit now. No, what a bad man for what? For what fucking exactly? Bro. Oh, that's all my shit nice? What are bad man people for? For them shit? For what? For them looks? Anything I can have it too. Because I know if work hard and is a go getter, I don't even sit down and beg to get to me off. I can go work hard in the blood cliff field. Sweat and tears and broke. What I say? A tiling work me used to do, you know. I love work for man, you know. Because I like work, you know. I like big money. I don't like the look work, I like the big work come and get big money. A tiling work me used to blood cliff do. So I know if work for man. So what the fuck am I about my people for? Eh? I remember so I know how far she come from my life. So I not go ever bad my sister, no matter what. You I don't treat me like pies and I don't like her, I'm not a bad mind her, because I know what she got through. I know say at first she had to click up and one of her son and her son she sit down in her. One of her tears she cry. For the way she do right in her life. So all my hate her like a pies, I'm not a bad mind her for what she have. You get to me I say? Because no matter what, me is the liar and me is the hypocrite. You get to me I say? So don't fuck me about my if I chat power tops here. My side to the cash up here. To the cash up, to the not cash up, to the PayPal. Chat, that's the PayPal. The PayPal that my side. PayPal. I'll have to turn it down. Couple around that me I try the best as me can. Me I try hold on my head and I try to trim down and bring me down and say the most about me. I don't do the most about me, I hold my head as best as possible. Because no matter how dirty junk I'm not see view. One come say oh my suck like dog and oh video come out with me. I still walk and hold on my head I can none of them more than me. And me not gonna be the first and me definitely won't be the last. Oh, me not be the first and I definitely won't be the last to go through what I go through in life. And that me I make some money know. Because alright baby, I soon go check it that pineapple. I soon go check it baby. Because see the what day I see dirty Roger who's the power with Miguel them. My aunt baby father where this way do whatever I'm doing and I put out video with it. That the Monday, what was the power with Miguel? I see my abba some blood clot. Chat, tell me now. Tell me blood clot now. If as a big man, if not big man there say right now. Let's say 30th or 60th, 30th or 40th year old. Now man in us right now we are big man that upon look 13 and 14 and 15 year old pitting around them. I play dirty music and have them winding up on them something that if you say you're not grand enough look pitting. If you as a big man do not say that you don't like kids or you're not go pitting away. Why the upon the kids around you and do stuff like that? I'm not stupid. And then I'm going to say, oh, you have my sister doing about water party. I say, I'm going to like you see. And my next sister, because from what day, I have to keep check on her. I have to really keep check on her. I'm going to come ask about my mother day. Because I could care less about my mother or oh, sure. I get to me and say, but to me, no, I don't want to see them come take up my sister. But try my very best to check up on her, make sure she eat and them something, make sure she's comfortable. See that right now, my bed, I'm just on by what day, my TV, and my son, and make sure say, Kayla, don't come out at all. I take her phone from her what day. I take the phone from her because I realize I be a phone with the blog. I take the phone from her. I say, you don't need a phone right now. And then the tempo come tempo, the teacher will send the homework through on WhatsApp. You don't need a phone right now. I take the phone from her. Make sure I left her at home. I say, Kayla, then you need for God door. So TV there, you can turn on the TV and watch Rascal TV. So I try to very best make sure she's comfortable. So she not have to left the yard and go. I say if you left the yard, I must shop you go for go right back of your yard. And I make when me call Anisha, I call Logan, which is Anisha baby father, our mommy, I call nobody at all and ask them, so we kill her there. You in the yard. Because you always in the yard. So make sure she's comfortable so she in her yard. If I even left the yard, I either for buy something or come to me or call me. I get to me and say for something to eat, that's all the time I'm supposed to leave your yard. Because Dirty Roger have the blood clot pitting them down there. And I can't alone, some other little blood clot pitting when I see my arbor down in my yard. Some look pitting and them saying the grand look pitting. Then the grand look pitting, but you see the arbor one bag look pitting at the beer for me down in your yard. 13, 14, I don't care how much you want, but I know I look up at me. Look up at me should be. You have to look up at them up down here, that wind up, a four double and them look at something there. And I come and talk about, you broke out and this, that. I not talk Roger on TikTok. I talk Roger one man will never see you a fixed phone. Roger will never see you a fixed phone. In me I talk. I not talk Roger on TikTok. Only know how to me attack. But our man never see you me attack. I know that man the grand pitney. He can't tell me no, because all of them used to look me. From me a pitney I come up. I got to me and say, but yeah, no, me come for my sister. I'm go fear now. As my call Anisha for Angel say, no, Kayla Dagaya, Kayla come ask him for go. Anisha call me and say, Kayla ask him for go water party. I'm tell her, don't come out of the yard. And by my turn back Kayla gone. I say, what? I say, what? Which water party? I search, I go search for I'm never sure which water party I keep. I search, I go search for and find realize I look at the water party I keep. When me go down there, because I say I'm not liquor in front of nobody. Because one thing with me, I and my sister, I'm not really liquor in front of people for them laugh or friend look or something. Because most ones a child, so I know how it feels. So even if me at school, I'm not going to make everybody see. Every time I say, I call her and I say, oh, come here, what are you doing here, so? I should have me, I look for my slippers. Me, I look for my slippers. So I say, up and look feet. The same time, I turn on my flashlight on my phone and I say, see them here shine the light, look for your slippers. Same time, him come. Look for my hand if it cut. I know I can't see the cut in my show. Because I don't know when him come and chat to me, but some of the things are Roger. Oh, yeah, big man, yeah, I have my little sister down here. And hear the type of song them where you play. Of course, in the night. Must 7, 8 o'clock in the night. I mean, Mr. Roger, yeah, big man. Oh, you feel how I look up in them down here. About water park, hear the type of song them where you play. What you look up in them over there about the man wind up, a man. Him come and tell me about, oh, tell him actually, what said that? What you never used to grind when you look at two. Look how long you grind, really. I say yes, I know me a old long time, I know me a grind long time, but not because we are young, me a young or I'm a fuck out and grind. That means I'm like a sister. That means I'm like a sister supposed to be the same like me. The one I want to have to be dog shit. The one I want to have to be dog shit. Not because video come out with me, video come out with she too. You get what me I say? Now because I used to have me a pit me so I say if come to the same with my sister. Them something that me a try run from. I have a clap up her skin and wicked and tell her I don't want to see about down Raja. I want to see about down there. And look Pitney am I. After me and Raja argue, look who's little girl I come tell me fuck out. This little Pitney. This little girl. I come tell me fuck out. After I say, Father God. Our mother need to keep them look at them parents, and mother need to keep them under strong guidance. Because I don't know all them young girls wrong and one grind, so. Never tell them say, hello, sex not run go nowhere. But they right to say away upon wall away. It not run gonna run a Pitney.
Everybody asks their which was their friend. Fix up with better part.
I don't know what I say, John, I tell you. That's why some of them money, after them have to dash some of them money, you know. Because you know we are going to talk about how you grind like a Pitney and you see the have a beer like a Pitney and the beer for belong in your yard. Eh? You don't grind like a Pitney, but a beer like a Pitney in your yard and wind up to dirty music and them look for something there. I'm calm, you know. I'm really calm. All of my tappers, big up on yourself. Chrissy baby, thank you. Sexy me, big up yourself. Bubbles, all of my tappers and my gifters, big up on yourself. I don't know about I can bring the news. I don't know which Roger me attack is not Roger on TikTok or Roger from Seaview in my neighborhood. Roger will live in my neighborhood in a Seaview and Roger on TikTok. Okay, so I'm gonna go screen record me now. Go say I'm get the people them because I'm not in me attack. Me attack about one brown bleach out, man. I'm not talk about Roger. Oh. See that it pin right there, so see it there? After me don't know nothing about Roger from TikTok, but I'm telling them people don't come for my FYP, you know. And people like Batman can't come for my blood clot FYP because I'm not watch Batman. The only Batman come for my FYP are the brawling one them who know about. I know some Batman like candy. Oh no, brawling say them a Batman. You get me answer? I don't make Batman where I don't be Batman come for my FYP. Oh. Cause I take grind and take man. Them not take man brawling, them are hypocrite. I'm not like hypocrite people. But here Brandon and tell you straight say yeah, Batman dan come for you go on like say and a Batman and want fuck off the girl with the shitty cock. The man they can't come for my FYP. Oh. Cause them a hypocrite. Nobody can tell me so Roger and Batman. To the way him talk alone make me know say my Batman. I want to come in and chat with the girl come and talk about. Oh, take the bus rose there. Roger, you look stinky, you mouth dirty. I want to write as a whitey achievement. We don't know what that. You mouth dirty for your big man and if ever come about people. The only thing I see about him is he can dress when him ready. But if ever come about people and him don't look good, the man gonna want some nutrients in him body. He want some cornmeal porridge. He want some ton cornmeal. He want some nice skin take care of him teeth them want brush. Him lip them down look good. I don't know what the fuck him lip have two color. I eat people with the two extra lip them. Take care of yourself. You can't talk about people. Every day you come about people and I'm not come about uno. Like stop. I come come there. Every time you chat a beer shit. Every time you chat a beer shit you chat. You need a worm out. Beer shit is your stinking mouth. In million you don't tell for true.
Somebody said leaves it. It will be a girlfriend.
I say, what's that come broke out tomorrow and my birthday right now, me I come for every blood clot body will come about me. Everybody. Oh, that me I took out my blood clot broke stress band. What I want know? Oh. Remember that come about me. Oh. I just want blood clot Zentel. Not in a blood clot. And every time I talk about a beer shit, him never chat and it makes sense to me yet. Never. And beer lie them walk and tell. Beer lie. Because them a get pay off. Because them love money. Them love sweets and them love likes. Them love money. And them are money hungry. And that you call money hungry. That you call money hungry. And like your birthday tomorrow to baby. Happy birthday when it come, babes. And that you call money hungry. You don't call hard working people money hungry. You call people money hungry who want to come tell life on our people. And that you call money hungry. The money hungry and want it in a blood clot. Thank you, baby. One of them man just dirty and well wine at people business. Chat what up here.
Happy birthday, son.
Man, I ease my bread no more hungry and broke and torment. And hungry man is an hungry blood clot, man. So everybody I get robot and chirp in a
And I
day.
share you out for it.
When I to me I come for when I shirt my life for. What I shirt for. Things that I mix up. Hey Bella, hey Anna, don't run put me in my come over for you too, you know. And that me I tell you today too, you know. But right now my head dark, you know. Right now hungry man is a hungry man in a girl say about a shirt a child. I say Anna disgusting every time I say to share it. And nobody may have come for you a put more, you know. And that me I tell us about, you know. Oh, fine here, you know. Oh, I'm fine here, I don't know where you live, you know.
Hey, you.
Why?
How many people say to get up before them, friend?
Do a you soon about pull up, and right now me I pull up for you. I soon pull up for you. Right now my day I look it. I soon pull up for you. Don't worry about that. I soon pull up. Wait. And I say pull up. Where's the sister girl? You wait for me. Sister not easy, no. Chop Bella, my sister-in-law, by the way. I Jerry's sister. I'm a son, auntie.
Yeah, Bella, alright, friend. Yeah, friend, wrap up the girl.
The person named Bella, it's my son's auntie, my sister-in-law. Yes, sunshine, Gally birthday loading, and this will combo. Tomorrow, everybody run out home, please, please, please. Me, I beg on my side. I want lamination cross the board and I never so. Lamination cross the board and I never so. I mean, I beg all of my top of my gifters, them run out now for this tomorrow, 7 p.m. on the dot Jamaica time. I want to go on right to say in my chat. Hey, I'm telling you
let me
this.
say, oh, them a cuss Nicole.
Hello, I'm telling you this. I don't have about the one dirty blood clot for my auntie. And that me I telling you no. No, me have to come to about my auntie. So kindly and please, if you don't like me, because a blood clot eater, blood clot, come on for this. I want to come start up with my blood clot for the family. Because me have the one dirty blood clot for my auntie them. So try to come about blood clot me. When I come out of this blood clot and I come type right, it's not for black the whole dirty blood clot. No, me have to black the whole of no. So when I come answer blood clot, I come and type me alright, so that me I tell you no. Come you black the whole of no. So if you don't like me, why you do your so? Why you come here so about? Back up and go over there so. Before them stinking dirty orange, dirty stinking girl man. Back up over there so man, me have to wrap up the whole of no. No come about my auntie, come me class the whole of no. What's it like come hungry right now? Go suck back your mother. Big stinking dirty girl. But your name document. A bare fake page you can come about dirty or. Bare fake page you don't know if you come about. Oh. Alright now I'm hungry and wrap me up the whole of no one buy blood clot one. All I know. So go and watch Hungry Cause black me go black you next. So don't send someone and say if you get a black. Chat F1. Now come on, let's go restart and come back. Anyone I want to type my phone, me have roll out the whole of them. All I want. If you don't like me, if you're not tapping the screen, if you're not a part of lamination, please and go. 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 If you're not a part of the lamination, you go. You get what I'm saying?
The mouth if you rub, mom. You rub? Yes, Coca-Cola.
Who I rub? Me not rub. Stop lying. Me not rub. Why not do that?
The Coca-Cola, she is a jack. What is soap name?
Girl, stop telling people them like, you're not rub. You're not stop. I would never rub. This bad man's getting too pretty for that. Okay? I'm a black pretty girl. I love my complexion, so I'm not gonna bleach.
Yeah, so what's that?
No chap, I don't rub. That's a tone. I don't want to black. I don't want crusty. So, who know that? Kiki, yeah, baby, the kojic acid soap. A girl I want more.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm not smelling. And the kojic acid soap trap, I promise you, I'm not rub for you. And the kojic, I'm going to stop using it. But from I start using it, brother, my face does a glue so like the one of the bump them look. Hold on, let me see. Try, see that? Me I try to take out the filter, hold on. My face not clear. Me I try to take out the filter. Because one filter come with the live and me I try to remove it. But it not move. I don't know how to move it. But chat, see that the filter now, look. This is like what? But a kojic acid. More my neck. The reason I'm starting
to black is beauty.
More my neck get the complexion of my face. Cause as you can see underneath my neck black and that not cute. That not cute at all. No, I don't want to use carrotone, baby love. I don't want to use if I use carrotone, I get white. Cause my skin easy to get brown. Cause see that the soap alone I use and I start get white. I did it down there.
But I want to shop me
It's a chat. Right now I'm hungry. An hungry man is an angry man. So tomorrow if now if you don't have
road again now like we're in a fall.
if you don't have to go there food to cook. See if you can buy the pressure cooker. Millie G, thank you baby.
I know we never cook food with pressure cooker 3 o'clock soon, eh? I was supposed to go over there, do it.
I'm not going to go nowhere today. I feel like I'm going to call with me. I left me come to when I want to live here. Now, wait, I don't have money for you. I'm not have money I can get for going nowhere.
But
today I'm birthday, so what is I'm going to do it today then for me? But I'm going to just do it tomorrow then. Because when I have money, I'm going to sell my coach, especially for my birthday. Just, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. At least I buy the clothes, if anything. Even if not tomorrow, I celebrate the birthday. When I have the money, I celebrate. At least I buy the clothes and the ear and everything. Yeah, the birthday must go on. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to have it right now, so I have to go just go and wall out. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, but just glad to me I live to see you next day. You get what I'm saying? That's all that really matters. That's all that really matters. Chat. So just power top chat, power top chat, power top.
Baby girl.
I'm gonna take it to my world. I'm gonna see you do the answer. I wonder if share drink around tonight.
Darling, you're outside, darling.
You're outside.
And you know what, darling? Say, no, go work, darling. So you're what? Later. Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, I say I love that for she. So she says she my mother, she does the album, she does happy, so I live her mother's life, my dear. I like that fear, that's really nice. At least, you know, you should make the media or whatever I mean the media I eat her, because some people sad in real life, you know. Them sad. Them company media come act sad and I really have them sad too. But I mean I say something so you are going on the media, you see in real life the girl happy in her real life. She now make the media make she sad. Get a message happy in her real life.
Eu posso um belo clap picture with you tomorrow, yes, la Masha.
Alia, don't fuck up.
Mas você vê
Don't fuck up, Alia. Don't fuck up.
Picture with you. Mas
I picture with them. I'm delete all of them. Delete them.
Remember
Everything.
my phone, when I go and go in and delete it now. I mean, go now. And say restore.
I'm glad nobody know your page over here. So them not gonna for look to see how I look real bad. Because this the ugly you know. This the ugly you know. No me I'm really ugly I look bad you know. This is not the real me yet you know. Just wait. I'm soon to the real me. Chat right now my madam blood clot me talk about madam me you know. Yes, I don't want to like all that so much. I don't want to lick. I'm mad. Chat me single.
Single?
Yeah, I'm single now look clap. I look a man. Hey, you sit down on the someone. You sit down on the someone. Girl, you can't show them that. I move. You chat right now, I'm single. I want a mad mean. Mother mean no blood clot. You get me I say? Mama need a man. The nice man there don't want bring me out. The nice man there don't want a woman. I need a man. I can't make a couple of grow up on my son. Yeah. My engine wants some oil right now.
Bro.
Not real life. Engine want oil.
Bad man fuck your baby not shy.
Me say my boy when I top flight. Friend this your body pretty light. I get to go to the gym and jump. Boom, yeah, boom, night. Yeah, boom, mother, take the car, night. And the roof right on the beam, take the car. The skin clean. Pretty girl, you know what I mean. Second book, you know what I see. Then they say it gonna hurt, I never believe. Me 14, I better believe. A good motherfucker know what you mean. A real killer never know what I mean. Mad? No what I mean. Your skin clean. A pretty girl, you know what I mean. I take a book and tell her no one. Till they say it gon' hurt, I ain't never believe. Me 14, all of you better believe. A good motherfucker know what you say. I real killer never know what I mean.
Yeah, your TV just short enough.
Try. Boy. Whoa. Baby, just let me put them on a top flight. I get to them a jump. I am put the skin clean. Pretty girl, you know what I mean. They can book it over and over to me. That's what it's for. Alright, so you.
Hey, you're gonna be there. Fast.
I wouldn't wanna book it over your feet. Let's get clean. Who get brown? That's on the block. Stop lying, I'm not brown.
Bad motherfucker. Panicking now.
I'm look real bad. Why am I do this to myself? I'm just like this. Move now.
Something shot me, brother.
Nah, shock you. That pussy girl, I saw you okay. Bad banga, but I'm not really jump. Come, tight and don't stop quiet till you. I'm pushing T. Rich badness is again. Don't do that. What is them, friend? Lucky you. Don't yellow, feel the gun. What's with the black chair? Where food? your gun. Bad bank but I don't really come. Boom tight and shit. Watch my baby.
Bad girl when she really does got to pull up like cheer make she sit down. The beating like flavor a bongo drum. This is like a black pipe when you got that
I don't wonder watch my life for.
swallow everything from a bone. She do anything for the money.
I don't wonder watch my life.
Sing but she love
Diamond.
tight pussy girl knows now.
Why Diamond watch my life? I don't like that for you.
Pussy girl so you know.
You want something for the baby?
Tight pussy girl knows now.
Why this now pull? Chat all the belt you pull. Chat all you pull the belt you.
The price I go mad, Abby. The price I go mad, Abby.
Belt now pull the blood clot. I mean, I commence to be waste.
Can't shake up your ass.
Shake that, shake that, shake that. Friend, pull this. You can get tight on it now, pull. The chair get pressed out, the wall get free out, nipple it suck off, your throat get dig out. Chill out with my bleach and white and thin out. Break it on your wall, so me lift off a below. Move on your fuck out, the wall make it sit out, your pum brain like that. I love that kitty. Little Miss Stylish, little Miss I don't know where to be, and if I tell them I'm cutting every place, fuck out the wall and busting in your face. If you give me the pussy, cause I'm cutting in your face, so innocent, but me see this. Get wild and pillow, vagina diggo, come in here, they get set up and dig out, the trigger get pressed out, the wall get free out, the get sucked off, your trigger get dig out, chill out when my bleach and white and thin out, break it on your wall, so me live off of me. Woman, me fuck out, the wall make it sing out, your pum brave, like y'all in the below. VIP, very important pussy. VIP, very important choke. You're very important goat. You're very important no choke goat. I don't know. Some boy pussy, I'm gonna quick dog. Get wild and pillow, vagina skinner. Come in here, get set up and dig out. The trigger get pressed out, the wall get free out. Nipple get sung off, your throat get dig out. Chill out with my bleach, and white and thin out. Girl, wind up your waistline. I mean, look at yourself your waist time. You're crazy? Girl, come on. Girl, wind up your waistline. Girl, come here. Girl, shake up your ass. Shake that, shake that, shake. Make sure you shake, you know. Girl, shake up your ass. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. Girl, shake up your ass. Bounce, 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 bounce. Put you get that shake up your ass. Bounce, 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 bounce. Get wild and vagina. Come in on your belly, make yourself up. The chew again. Your wall again. Dip again. Your chew again. Chill over my bleach and white and. Mama, me fuck out. The wall make you sit out. The pump shape like you when you bill out. Little Miss Grippy. Little Miss Stylish pussy. Little Miss I don't know where to me, and if you fuck out the wall and bust in your face, if you give me the pussy, get a cut in your face, you're innocent, but me see the sucker get wild and pillow, vagina and skin out, come in your belly, make it set up and dig out, the trigger get pressed out, the wall get frig out, the nipple get sucked off, your throat get dig out, you love with my bleach and white and thin out. Mama, babe. Your pum shape like you in the below. VIP, very important pussy. VIP, very important. You're very important. You're very important. Go, choke, go. I don't know. Something boy, pussy gonna come quick though. Get wild and pillow, but I not, you know. Come in here, baby, make you set up and big go. You chair, your presser, you won't get figure. Dip you get sucker, bet you get. She love on my bleach and white and thin up. Dip in your hole, so me live off. Mama, me fuck out, you won't make it see out. I love that grippy. Why? Baby girl, hear your song. Baby girl. What the boy tell me say? What the boy tell me say? What him say? What him say? Him say baby girl. Me did have to tell you say you God bless. Pretty little body when you undress. Stiff titty when you carry access. I will never feel itchy when we have sex. Never. A boy can't call me name and say me ever shot him yet. No boy run town. None. And then him say me grind out. And how me I see you mockers. I can't come from how much boy from Seaview ever gone to my front. I can't count how much boy from Seaview know the color of my drawers. I can't count how much boy from Seaview as I me shot them. I can't count how much boy from Seaview as I suck them cock. I can't count from finger how much boy from Seaview can say me grind them. So all I know about Seaview this one. And most of the boy that we are caught up with my grind, they never grind me yet. Always the boy that will never yet grind me, always when I come talk about, oh, she fuck out. They never fuck me, nigga. Like, get that hold on, please. Please, get that hold on, fucking. Stiff is when you carry abscess. I will never feel itchy when we have sex. But you don't set him take body, yeah. Girls are jugs, but too much in the world want love. Girls are jugs, they are jugs. Girls are jugs, but too much in the world want love. You find that money in the world. She want money in a girl, I don't make she wine bomb, body can a skirt and go. She said it could be her time. Hear this, hold on, hear this, hold on. Good pussy make boys spend them last. Girls are jugs, I'ma learn that. Me know watch poor boy turn that up full of girl like. Yeah, that's what I'm in a German. Man, girl, you put it up with the man now, I'm gonna tell you this, baby. I'm gonna send her this, but I'm last in a baby. No, I'm not hungry, man. Say, baby, send it. God will bless you. God now make you go sleep hungry tonight. Just say it. And I say, oh God, man, baby, you know, so the last one, this is my name. But I'm gonna send it. And I say, you man, just send me. God, God bless you, man. God, God bless you, man. Girls are jugs. Girls are jugs. But too much in the world want love. She said it could be her turn love. Good pussy make boys spend them last. Girls are jugs and we learn that. Me now watch poor boy turn that up full of girl like. Girl, I see the cocaine in German. Put it in your girls like just work for it done. Hey girl. Girls are drugs.